akwatire bendera ekibiina kya NRM omurundo gundi ori omwebembezi w'ihanga General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ekiro ky'eizooba yahendera okushorera obuhagizi omu bicweka bya Bukedde Sub-Region kandi yahendera na district ya Busia aho abantu ab'ebicweka ebi yabahabura okwejumbira Omukuhinga ebihingwa ebirikubaha esente nyingi obu yaba arikushorera akaroro mu district ya Busia okwaba aha kishayi ekya Buwanda Primary School kandi aha yayakirwa mu tawuni ya Busia enkuyanja n'enkuyanja y'abantu bo abebembezi b'ekibiina eki mu district ya Busia bayebaza omwebembezi w'ihanga abw'enkoragana eyeyine n'abanyayuganda hamwe n'okubakorera ebintu ebirikubayamba.
And we have promised the president that we are going to give him 98% as Busia district. We are not going to allow opposition to penetrate in Busia district.
We had issues on what and where to do our mobilization. The president during his tour in the Bukedde sub-region, he has guided his troops on ground.
I take this opportunity to call upon you all the Ugandans. Please come and support the peacemaker, His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, because at least in the years he has been in service, some of us we've been born in his regime, and I can assure you we've not witnessed anything like a war.
Omukugamba kwe nkaburijo buri hakuza aba yabanjura mwa bintu ebikibiina kya NRM bekorira ihanga okwiha kyakwata obwebembezi ebirimo obusinge enkuuto amashanyarazi ebyamagara ebyobwegese obwabusha hamwe n'ebindi.
And NRM's ability to bring peace is not accidental. It is because of our politics. Which does not believe in tribes, in religious sectarianism, believes in the unity of Uganda.
President Yoweri Museveni yashaba abantu ba Busia okukozesa obusinge obuli hansharo ya Uganda n'ihanga lya Kenya omu by'obushobozi kibayambeho okurakurana.
Some people think that when they talk of development, the first sector where you can find Buyinda is commercial agriculture. The second sector is manufacturing and artisanship.
Ebyemikono